All right, chapter 6.6 is the last lesson for this section or this chapter. Today we're going to wrap up the main 4 steps of solving. Hopefully you've gotten the chance to get well acquainted with the process. Hopefully now you can make your decisions based on reaction more than overthinking and taking too long to make your decision. Our last step is just division with decimals. So, I mean, if we just look at it for what it is, it shouldn't be so bad. You just got to make sure you use your calculator. So h over 22.2 equals 14.4. What values with h obviously is 22.2. How do you move this 22.2 if it's h divided by 22.2? And that would be by multiplying by 22.2 on both sides. H then comes down, 22.2 cancels out, and we just type in 14.4 times 22.2, which is 319.68. I'm sorry, I forget that light is there. And it kind of reflects off the calculator a lot. But again, the idea is the same. As long as you've gotten up to this point, I think you're in good shape because, again, the only difference today is just that you have to deal with decimals. And to me, that's really nothing, especially after all the decimal work I've been making you do. W over 23.6 equals 9.2. What values with W? That would be 23.6. And so what you're looking at here is how do I move 23.6? And that is by multiplying because that's W divided by 23.6. And then when I do 9.2 times 23.6, there you can see it. That should give me 217.12. And then W comes down and that number goes away. And that is it. Let's look at 2 more before we wrap this thing up. This is a very quick lesson here. 10.1 equals n over 23.7. What values with n? Again, 23.7 is with it because it's over here with the n in the fraction. How do I move the 23.7 if it's n divided by 23.7? And that's by multiplying by 23.7 on both sides. I should know what that answer is, but that bothers me. 10.1, 239.37 is what you end up with. And again, those cancel out, just bringing down n, and that's your 4 boxes of work. So as long as you've got that down, you should be okay, and everything should move just fine. Consider the following equation. Again, n over 14.9 equals 10.8. The value with n is 14.9. So how do you move this 14.9 if it's being divided? We would multiply by 14.9. N comes down over here. Then you just do 10.8 times 14.9, which is 160.92. And that is all. So this wraps up 4 of the 5 key steps in solving. I don't know when we'll learn the 5th. We'll probably learn at the end of the quarter. Just make sure you take today's homework seriously because the questions on your homework represent the questions that'll be on tomorrow's quiz. And again, be sure to get the help that you need. Again, and if you are asking for help, just make sure you send me a picture. I can probably answer your question very quickly. But again, good luck, and you got the test popping up tomorrow morning, which is Friday. Don't forget it's due Monday morning, and make sure you take that on time so you get full credit. Outside of that, good luck, and I'll talk to you later.